Playtime Sisters! Burger Villa Playhouse. Okay, we got this cool soda. I think the stickers are not on yet, that way it's not red. And we got the ketchup. And then the french fries for the ketchup. And then we got chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets are my favorite. And then we got this burger. Let's see the condiments. The condiments are patty, lettuce, tomato, onion, and cheese, and 2 buns. Now, we got these extra stickers and things to assemble. So these are the 2 things to assemble. They are potato chips and the soft prunes. So that's all of what's inside. And also got some stickers. You see them, they are kind of empty, so we're gonna put some stickers later. And then we got this. It's where you put the burger in. Time to assemble the shop. I think you have to put... Okay, we assembled it now. Now let's put all of the other things. We got this. I think, yeah, it has a hole, so you have to put that in the hole. There, it's very cute. Very cutesy. And then we're just gonna put all of this inside. There, all of the menus. Now, we're going to put the other things on the food. Okay, here are the stickers. Let's remove the stickers and then put them on the cola. Put these stickers on the cola so it's a little more red. There. First we got the cola. Now we're going to put it on the fries. Look at that. Fries. And then the ketchup. And then we're going to assemble this. Okay, so we got the burger and the chicken. I think this is where you put it. Okay, so this is where you put it. Right over there. It says burger. Okay, I did a little magic around here. And then it's looking very, very beautiful. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Goodbye. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty toy fun every week.